Hello students, in previous video I explained you verbs and its types. So I explained you the infinitive, there are two types of verbs, finite and non-finite. And in non-finite there are three types of verbs, infinitive, participle and gerund. So in previous video I explained you the participle, infinitive. Today I explain you the participle and the gerund. Here you see students, a participle is a verb adjective, kriya visheshan. It does the work of a verb and an adjective. ये एक वर्ब और एक एडजेक्टिव दोनों के जैसे काम करता है. एंड द पार्टिसिपल इज ऑफ थ्री काइंड्स. पार्टिसिपल तीन तरह के होते हैं, प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल, past participle and perfect participle. Here you see in present participle this one is verb plus ing, past participle verb plus ed and perfect participle verb plus ed or en. Examples you see here, like covered with blankets they ventured out in the cold. This one is past participle sentence. A speeding scooter hit the old pedestrian. This one is in present participle. A gerund is a verb noun. It does the work of a verb as well as noun. gerund स्टूडेंट्स वो शब्द होता है जो एक वर्ब नाउन होता है, वो वर्ब प्लस नाउन दोनों के जैसे काम करता है. Example, it is not easy dancing on the stage. And one more thing is, remember that gerund is used in its ing form. So it is not easy dancing on the stage. So here this one is dancing is a verb as well as noun. Next topic is subject verb agreement. Rules of subject verb agreement. The verb agrees with its subject, noun और pronoun, both in number and persons. Verb जो है वो agree करता है अपने subject से, चाहे वो noun हो या pronoun हो, both in numbers and person. Numbers में भी change हो या persons में. So the subject is singular, the verb is also singular. When the subject is plural, the verb is also plural. In previous classes, students, I already explained you that we use verbs only. It depends on the number and person. When the subject is singular, we use singular verb, and when the subject is plural, we use plural verb. Like this boy helps everybody. Here the boy is in singular form, so here the verb is in also in s or es form. These boys help everybody. Here the boys are plural, so we use only help here. A compound subject is made of two subjects connected by or and nor, have a singular verb. Subjects connected by and have a plural verb. Subjects connected by or and nor has singular verb. Here students, जो सब्जेक्ट कंपाउंड सब्जेक्ट में जब दो सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं और वो और से जुड़ते हैं तो वो सिंगुलर वर्ब और सब्जेक्ट कहलाते हैं, और बाय से जुड़ते हैं तो वो प्लूरल से कहलाते हैं. लाइक हियर यू सी द एग्जाम्पल, अमेरिका एंड रशिया आर सुपर पावर्स. मोहन और रोहन इज एज एट फॉल्ट. Next is compound subjects that are a single unit take a singular verb. Compound subjects जो होते हैं students वो single unit हैं अगर, तो वो singular verb ही use होती है उसमें. Like the poet and writer is dead. Here the compound subjects are single unit. Same person is the poet and writer. A compound subject that has plural nouns or pronouns connected by or nor take a plural. Examples. कंपाउंड सब्जेक्ट्स में स्टूडेंट्स प्लूरल नाउन्स और प्रोनाउंस को जो कनेक्ट करते हैं हम वो और के साथ करते हैं. लाइक नो ट्रक्स और लॉरीज are allowed to park here. Here trucks and lorries, both are the compound words and in plural forms. If the compound subject is made of singular as well as plural subject, the verb agrees the subject closer to it in the sentence. Compound subject students में अगर सिंगुलर है या प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट है तो जो वर्ब एग्री करेगा वो सब्जेक्ट जिससे ज्यादा क्लोज है उसके अकॉर्डिंग करेगा. लाइक neither the teacher nor the students were in the auditorium. Here teacher or student both are in numbers, so we use were here. Either the children or their mother has rung the bell. Here this is also depend on their number. Neither you nor they are at fault. Here this one is a change in person. Neither they nor he is right. This one is also a person. So you see here that these are the verbs, and in every sentence you see that subjects are in plural form, but we use different verbs. Here the subjects students were close to were. Students is plural, so we use were. Here mother is singular, so we use has. They is plural, so we use are, and he is singular, so we use is. So it is also depend upon that the subject is closer, how close to the verb. Next is, if the collective noun refers to the separate individual or thing in a group, the वर्ब इज इन प्लूरल. जो कलेक्टिव नाउन होता है स्टूडेंट्स, अगर वो सेपरेट इंडिविजुअल और थिंग के लिए रेफर करता है किसी एक ग्रुप में, तो वहां पर सब्जेक्ट जो है प्लूरल आएगी. एग्जाम्पल, द बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स आर डिस्कसिंग द मैटर. इफ द कलेक्टिव नाउन टेक्स द ग्रुप एज अ होल, द वर्ब इज सिंगुलर. अगर पूरे कलेक्टिव नाउन पूरे ग्रुप के लिए आती है तब वहां पर जो वर्ब है वो सिंगुलर होगी. द स्टाफ हैज गॉट अ रेज. Here the plural collective nouns, the verb are also plural. अगर plural collective noun होगा तो verb भी उसकी plural ही होगी. Like the troops have boarded the bus. The bouquets were handed over to the guest. So students, this one is some rules for subject verb agreement. So while making the sentence you follow it. So you have to, your homework is to read it and try to understand it once again.